Hello, this is Mike with Karcheckz here doing a pre-purchase inspection on this 2005 Mercedes SL500, and we did the scan, which we do have some codes, and here's what they are. Would need some further diagnostic time. Looks like a lot of them have to do with looks like that's what they are. Low voltage code. Sometimes these get set off when you have a dead battery, and some of them are other things, but I don't see anything that would concern me about driving. I don't see any engine fault codes or transmission fault codes. Those typically in the P section. There's one of those: increased idle speed due to low voltage. So it looks like it was trying to charge the battery. And then some other stored codes. Alright, let me go down them slow one more time. I definitely would recommend a clear and a recheck and driving it for a little short time. Alright, got a check washer fluid and a SRS light. $50,769 miles. Alright, we tested the battery good. Alright, it's hard to see inside of this one. Alright, belt looks like it's good. Recently replaced. I don't see any cracks in it. Kind of looks like they just missed the oil spout there. It got a little sloppy on the ad. I don't really see any big leaks here. A little bit of seepage from the gasket, but nothing serious. Fluid looks good. Brake reservoir looks good. Alright, oil looks full and clean. Alright, this little black plastic cover looks like got a little crack here. Alright, here's the underneath view. See a little crack here and some paint overspray. Alright, see what could be a valve cover gasket leak from the bottom. Alright, this side looks drier than the other. Looks like a little gasket leak there on the valve covers, which I pointed out over here. See a little oil coming down. And this plastic cover is covering everything. I'm not able to see. I don't see any rust under here, just a little corrosion on some of the bolts here and there. Looks pretty clean under the back here. Just a little corrosion on some of the metals. I don't see any bolts that would cause any trouble. Just a little cracking on the flex disc. Nothing abnormal there. May cause a little vibration on acceleration coming due. Would recommend changing that in the future. It's not ready yet. Alright, well, there you have it. Thanks for watching this pre-purchase inspection video brought to you by Karcheckz on this SL500.